How to lay floor tiles in a bathroom. All right, so your first step is to gather the tools and materials you're going to need. So start by gathering all your tools. You're going to need floor tiles. You're going to need adhesives, that's a tin set. You're going to need a notched trowel. And you're also going to need tile spacers, a tile cutter, and grout. All right, so once you've gotten all of these, you can now proceed to prepare the floor, which is very important. So make sure your floor is actually clean, level, and dry. Remove old flooring and fix any uneven areas. So make sure to fix any of these. And then your next step would be to plan your tile layout. So draw your tiles first to plan the layout, and then avoid awkward cuts. And then all you need to do now after this is to clean up the tiles themselves and clean up the area, and then proceed to apply the tile adhesive. So proceed to apply the tile adhesive, spread the thin set evenly using a notched trowel, and work in small sections. And then once you're done with that, simply start laying the tiles. So you can begin laying the tile by placing each tile firmly into the adhesive and using spacers to maintain even gaps. And then once you're done, you can also cut some tiles to fit using a tile cutter to trim tiles around the edges and corners. And then once you're done, just simply let the adhesive sit by allowing the adhesive to dry for at least 24 hours before grouting. And then once you're done, apply the grout by spreading grout over the tiles to simply fill in the gaps. And then last but not least, wipe off the excess grout and polish the tiles for a clean finish. And that's it. All right.